Let's explore Microsoft Excel's top 5 time and date functions. The first function that we're going to look at is the now function. The now function returns the current date and time based on our computer settings. So when you press enter, you'll get the date and time. Today is September 13th, 2020. The today function, the second function, is the today function. Today function returns the current date based on our computer or server settings. Then press enter. You'll get the current date. So it means if I want the date yesterday, will be equals to today minus 1, that is yesterday's, and tomorrow's date will be plus 1. The workday function returns the next workday after a set of days, including or excluding holidays. So the workday function equals to workday will return the serial number of a date before or after a specified number of days, of work days. So if we say the workday after today, today is on a Sunday, so workday, so I say the next workday after today, which is 0, will give me a date serial which formatted will give me the next workday from today, so which becomes 13th. If we have holidays, for example, I want a work day after some set of days and holidays, then you need to number those holidays in a different cell, then include them after entering the number of days. The year or month function returns the last day of the month before or after a specific number of months. So when you say the end of month of current date 0 returns the end of month of the current month, which is September. So when formatted like that, will return 30th September. For last month, I'm going to use is equals to year or month for current date minus 1 for last month and plus 1 for the next month. So I set and format this as a date, and you'll get the last date of August. Thanks for watching. My name is David Kandia.